Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's special is Moong Dal Payasam. It is a traditional sweet recipe made specially for festival season. It is a healthy Indian sweet as the sweetness is derived from the coconut milk and jaggery, which makes it rich and creamy. So let's get started. So firstly, in a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of moong dal and dry roast it in a low flame until you start feel nice aroma from it. Once it is done, I'm gonna add 3 cups of water and close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Next we'll prepare coconut milk. For that here I have 1 small cup of coconut roughly chopped. Now I'm gonna put it in blender and add little bit of water and blend it. Don't add too much of water. We need thick milk. So here with the help of filter I'm gonna take out all the coconut milk from this. So here is our coconut milk is ready. Next step is to prepare jaggery syrup. For that here in a saucepan I'm gonna add 1 cup of jaggery and 1/4 cup of water and allow it to dissolve completely. Here now you can see it's boiling and jaggery has dissolved completely. I'm gonna turn off the flame. Now in a small pan add 2 teaspoons of ghee. I'm gonna add few cashews. If you want, you can add raisins, chopped badam, pista as you wish. Once it is done, I'm gonna take it out. And now I'm gonna add coconut, finely chopped coconut pieces. It gives a nice flavor. Once it is done, take it out. So now you can see our moong dal is cooked well. Give a nice mix. And now I'm gonna add jaggery syrup which we have been prepared before. Make sure you filter it out before pouring it. Give a nice mix. So cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until it combines well with moong dal. So now you can see everything is mixed and cooked well. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add roasted coconut with ghee and also cashews. Mix it well. So once it is done, I'm gonna switch off the flame and after 10 minutes I'm gonna add coconut milk. So here after 10 minutes I'm gonna pour in coconut milk. Mix it really well and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. So there you have this absolutely delicious, rich, creamy payasam is ready. This payasam brings a big smile from your family, not just because it's healthy but also has a perfect balance of sweet and flavor. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye.